Hi, I'm Lauren and I run the Instagram home account at The Barkers. Today we're really excited as we're getting our new front door installed by the Palladio door collection. So as you can see, this is our front door at the moment. It's really dated, the paint's flaking off, the glass is just really dated, I don't particularly like it. The whole front door just lacks any sort of curb appeal. We've got a window here and there was blinds up inside, and then there was a brick wall underneath which has been removed. So when the new door's installed, this is going to completely change the design of the door. So yeah, I'm really excited to see what it's going to look like. So we have Andy and William here from Andrew Crawford Property Services installing our door today. As you can see, we're halfway through. The glass is still to go in, but we've gone for an anthracite door, and I can just see through here the colour, and it's looking amazing, and I can't wait to see it finished. So here is our new front door from the Palladio door collection. We've gone for a really modern style door. This is the Barcelona door from Palladio and it's in anthracite grey. We've gone for a very long bar handle just to add to that modern look. We've also added a full plane of glass to the side just to allow more lighting. It's a really top quality door. It's strong and secure so we can feel safe in our home. So I'm really happy with the choice we've made. It's been really easy to work with the Palladio door collection. I was able to design this door online using their online door designer tool, which was really easy. I could design the front and the back of the door. So on the door designer tool, there was also an option to change the colour of the internal side of the door. So we went for anthracite as well, just to keep that modern look, and it also matches the interior of our house. So Andy and William from Andrew Crawford Property Services Ltd have done a great job today. It looks absolutely amazing. I'm so pleased with it. And yeah, we can't wait to start using it.